Premiere Pro has just introduced a powerful new feature that uses generative AI, Adobe Firefly, to extend clips, add missing frames, and even generate ambient sound. Like in this clip of the girl driving. If the shot is too short and you want to add more footage after it, just use the Generative Extend tool. Click from the end of the clip and drag to where you want the extension to stop. Wait a moment, and Premiere Pro will generate the missing part of the video for you. The same goes for sound. For example, background noise is missing in a section. All you have to do is click and drag, and you'll get a seamless audio track as if it were recorded together with the original. All AI-generated segments are clearly labeled. If you're not satisfied with the initial extension, simply right-click on the AI-generated section and select Regenerate to create a new variation. At any time, if you want to replace the AI-generated content with the original media, right-click on the AI-generated section and select Revert to Original. You can also unlink audio and video and revert either one to the original media if it's still available in your project. Editing videos has never been easier. Take this example. There's a sudden, unwanted change in the camera angle. Just delete that part, then use the Generative Extend tool to fill in the gap, and you'll have a new segment that blends in naturally. What do you think about this new tool in Premiere Pro? Is it production quality ready, or do the lighting and style still differ too much between the original and the AI-generated parts? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let Grapless know what you think.